I've only seen this once. I haven't done it yet. Oh fuck. Excuse me. Oh, this left his bubbles. I failed to get the swirl. I gotta practice that off camera. It's left his bubbles. All right. I've got a problem, and specifically, I've got a problem with truckers and left lane loafers. And now let's clear something up. Obviously, it's not all truckers, right? But every time, it's a truck. So, and now you might hear left lane loafers, you might hear trucker. I'm not talking about CDL drivers. I'm talking about Ford F-150s, right? And left lane loafers, if you're unfamiliar with the terminology, I swear you have seen one before. It's the people who drive way too slow in the fast lane. The obnoxious motherfuckers. And I want you to know, there's a special place in hell for you. Sorry, I'm getting a little carried away here. Let me set you down and check my list. Yeah, I made a fucking list because I know I'm gonna forget. Oh shit. I'm gonna forget what I'm trying to say. Little trucks. Oh my god. Okay. So left lane loafers, they're the people who drive super slow in the fast lane, and as soon as you pass them up, they get really pissy because they have teeny tiny little wiener, little peener, and the biggest ego I've ever seen. You pass them and they start driving fast, they get all mad. Fucking losers, honestly. That pisses me off. Oh god. And so I deliver pizzas for a living, right? I drive, and I'm like middle of nowhere kind of pizzas. Like I'm hauling ass, like doing 50 on the dirt roads, like tearing it up in the back streets. And there's always this motherfucker in a truck who doesn't know how to drive. They can't stay in their lane, and they go way too and I know I just said I'm going way too fast for these dirt roads. But that's because I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional. I get paid for this. I'm trying to get paid for this. There's a lot of people out here. Just a little something I like to do. Scare off the people. What was I talking about? Left loafers and trucks. So they drive in the middle of both lanes because they don't know how to drive. They don't know what they're doing. They got this big ass truck for no reason, right? It's like an ego boost thing. It's weird. It's fucking bizarre is what it is. And I'm the fucking clown in the woods, whistling at strangers, calling you weird. You gotta sort your shit out, right? And there, every single time I drive past someone who's stuck in the mud on these dirt roads, it's a fucking truck. Every single time, without fail. And guess what they need to get unstuck? I'll give you a second. Another truck. It's always another truck. They think more trucks is the answer. So now there's two trucks out there trying to get one truck unstuck. And it's and they're just spinning, throwing muck and mud everywhere. This is MF Doom. I've been trying really hard not to kill myself. It's kind of why videos slow down for a little while. What was I talking about? Let me check my handy dandy piece of paper. I think I've hit all the like key notes. Damn. I like the drawings I did on the back. Katamari forever. Fat rat. Meow. Meow meow meow. All flowers, some stars, the moon. Hauling eyes. They can't drive for shit, always getting stuck. And to close it all off, dude, they just piss me off. And like, I'm not a very angry person, right? I like to be whimsical. I like to be jovial, even, if you could believe that. You know, I like to be a little funny. I like to be a little clown, a jester, even. And when I do get angry, it's out of hopelessness. When I see a problem and there's nothing I can do. And that's how I feel about the trucks. Because people who buy trucks aren't going to suddenly get better at driving, right? They're not going to suddenly stop buying trucks either. They're too insecure. Their dicks are never going to get bigger. So that's why they need that confidence boost that is a big fucking truck. And there's nothing I can do, and that's what makes me angry. And these trucks, they just keep reproducing. Like, they keep multiplying. And it's like, and it's this terrible, like, incestual relationship at this point, where they're starting to get, like, these inbred ass trucks. For example, Jeep truck. What the fuck is that? And the Cuda, the fucking big, the pinnacle of truck inbreeding. The Tesla Cybertruck. What the fuck? That looks like ass. It's like someone needs to put that truck down. Whoever came up with that is an idiot. Elon Musk. Anyways, I think that's it. And remember, if you drive a truck, please change. You don't have to stop driving trucks. I mean, it's not all trucks, but it's always a truck. Yeah, that's all I have. Third video of the day. Let's go.